like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from... Holy cow, it's a huge box from Asha Foods USA. These are products made in Taiwan, and I know there's going to be some rad stuff in here, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So back in 2013, I did my top 10 list and my bottom 10 list, like I do every year. The media over in Taiwan caught wind of it, that they weren't on the top 10 and that they were on the bottom 10. My site got flooded with people that were angry and just like, you don't know what you're doing. And I decided to use some noodle diplomacy. And I said, well, hey, if you think your noodles are so good, all I get are export versions over here. I get stuff that, I don't know, it's just like not all that super duper that I've found. If you think it's so great, send me some. Well, the first company to answer the call was Asha Foods, and they had a distributorship down in California. And I've been working with them, and they've been sending me products to sample for years, and it's really neat. So here's some of their newest stuff. All right, first off, we've got this Momofuku tingly chili noodle, and what's kind of neat about these are a collaboration with the Momofuku restaurants, I believe. There's a guy named David Chang who does... I've seen him on Jimmy Fallon doing stuff with instant noodles. So that's pretty cool. These are Taiwanese dry noodles, so it's a little bit of a different animal. You can't just like pour hot water on them and they just spring to life like an instant. These are a cooking noodle. These are probably going to be real good though. I've been really hoping to try this range, so this will be fun. Thanks. See, we also have a soy and scallion noodle, a spicy soy noodle, and a sweet and spicy variety. And check this one out. This is Hello Kitty Garden Veggie Noodle Soup, and this is part of the Prince Katsu range that Asha does. And these are cups. Then here we have a Hello Kitty Hot and Sour Noodle Soup. Again, cup varieties. And check this out. I'm really stoked. I don't know if you've seen it before. Maybe you have. There's a show on YouTube called Hot Ones. And they have different celebrities on, and they try like a spicy chicken wing. And they try another one, and another one, and another one. And they're like different levels of heat, and they get hotter and hotter and hotter. These ones here are the mild varieties. This is the sweet chili version. And then here's the medium. This is a garlic chili variety. And at the top end of the range, we have the smoky chili variety. And yeah, I'm a big fan of spicy stuff, so I see a bunch of mukbangs in my future. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Asha Foods USA for sending this over. Yeah, these are a lot of varieties that I'm really interested in sampling, and I will be doing so soon. For the hot spicy ones, you'll definitely be seeing mukbang of all of those. And soon they're going to have bowl versions as well. I don't think they're the same flavors. I think they're different. So, yeah, cool, thanks. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.